Hello everyone, this is PK Academy, and today in this video we are going to see about the basis of statistics and what is meant by central tendency. Okay, let's start with what is statistics. See, as you can see here, statistics is nothing but classified facts. Statistics is a classified facts which will represent something. Okay, it may be anything like population, or it may represent level of the people, like that. Okay, we have to understand that statistics nothing but classified facts, and we can also tell statistics is numbers, right? Statistics is basically numbers or tables or tabular. Okay, let's move into stages of statistics. As you can see here, statistics have 4 stages, which is collection of data, presentation of data, analysis of data, and interpretation of data. Okay, let's start with collection of data. See, in order to do something, we have to collect the data somehow. Okay, the collection of data have 2 types, which is primary and secondary. Okay, we can see that later. Okay, so first we have to collect the data, and secondly we have to present the data somehow. Okay, it can be like simple presentation only written in numbers, or a tabular presentation. So we have to collect the data first and present the data somehow. Thirdly, we have to analyze the data. See, this is the main point. We are doing all the statistics. Okay, we have to put some formulas and techniques into the data to get some conclusion. And fourthly, we come to interpretation of data, which is, as I already said, to get the conclusion. Okay, so first we have to collect the data, secondly we have to present the data, thirdly we have to analyze the data by putting some formula, fourthly we have to come to a conclusion, which is interpretation of data. Next we have some series. Okay, this is important to know, because all the sums will become as this format. Okay, stats have 3 series. One is simple, second is discrete, and third is continuous. Okay, simple series is nothing. They will just give data, or let's assume it as x. Okay, x value is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that. They will give some numbers. From that numbers we have to do some analysis and come to a conclusion. Okay, second is discrete series. Okay, in this discrete series they have x, the numbers, and f, frequency. Frequency is nothing but the repetition of data, which means 1 as repeated 10 times, 2 as repeated 20 times, and 3 as repeated 10 times. Okay, third is continuous. Continuous will be having class interval. Okay, see, we see for simple, and second discrete. Third continuous will be having like this. Okay, 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30. It will have some class intervals. Okay, between them they have class intervals. Okay, there's 3 series in stats, which is simple, discrete, and continuous. Okay, let's see what is meant by central tendency. Let's see what is central tendency. Central tendency is nothing but an average stands for the whole group. Okay, we will having a group or bunch of datas. When we calculate the average of the datas, then that will be called as central tendency. Okay, central tendency represent the whole data. Okay, central tendency is nothing but an average. Remember that. Let's see what are the measures are there in central tendency. There are 5 measures to calculate central tendency, which is mean, mode, median, geometric mean, and harmonic mean. Let's see how to calculate mean, mode, median in upcoming videos. From this we can know that what is statistics, stages of statistics, what are the series in statistics, and what is central tendency, and what are the measures of central tendency. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.